Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the HomePod Mini and bringing your iPhone close. That pulsing white light means it's ready. Once your iPhone is updated and Bluetooth is active, a setup card appears. Tap it. Make sure you're signed into iCloud and Home is enabled so your settings and automations sync. This direct step speeds pairing and preserves voice recognition. It also ensures HomeKit controls respond across devices. Now confirm location, room, and personal requests so voice features work properly. You continue by placing the HomePod in the room you'll use it most, then assign that room in the Home app. It helps automations and multi-room audio. Make sure the HomePod and your iPhone share the same Wi-Fi network. If issues persist, try switching router band because some smart devices prefer 4 GHz. Then customize Siri language and voice feedback. This changes how commands are interpreted. Finally, set default volume and sound settings so daily use feels natural and locally optimized. You finish by testing core functions. Ask Siri to play a song, set a timer, and control a light. This confirms voice recognition and HomeKit response. Once satisfied, enable intercom or create a stereo pair if you have 2 units, and link Apple TV for improved audio routing. If something fails, restart the HomePod and verify iCloud and Home settings. Reset the device only if necessary, because resetting erases personalization. A quick restart often clears network or pairing glitches without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.